Most users of Sage Accpac ERP have very focused job responsibilities that are limited to a specific set of accounting functions. If this describes your use of Sage Accpac, then wouldn't it be great if you could access these specific functions without having to navigate through menus and icons? Well, you can, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how to group shortcuts to your most used functions into your own folder on the menu tree. So let's jump right in and take a look. We'll start by creating the folder that will hold our shortcuts. You can add it at any level in the menu tree, but we're going to put ours at the top where it's most accessible. To do this, we'll highlight our company name, Sample Company Inc. at the top of the menu, and then we'll go up to Object, New, and select Folder. Let's give it a name, and for this example, we'll call it My Shortcuts. Remember that we mentioned that we want this folder to appear at the top of the menu tree. However, since menu items are arranged alphabetically, we'll need to trick the system in order to make this happen. The easiest way is to put our cursor at the beginning of the title and simply insert a space. If you don't like the standard folder icon, you can hit the Change Icon button and select from those shown here, and scrolling across, you can see that there's quite a number of choices. We'll hit Cancel to keep the default icon. Since this will be a folder specific to this user, we'll keep the All Users box unchecked, and now we can click Finish. And there's our new folder at the top of the menu. Now we can populate it with just the functions and reports that we work with daily. Let's suppose that you're frequently working with the GL batch list, so let's go ahead and add a shortcut in our folder. To do this, we'll navigate to the batch list by selecting General Ledger and GL Transactions. All you have to do here is right-click on the batch list icon and select Copy. Now we'll hover over our folder and right-click and select Paste. Let's test it out by double-clicking the icon, and sure enough, the batch list opens. Now let's suppose that you frequently run an aged trial balance report, so let's add another time-saving shortcut by going to Accounts Receivable, AR Transaction Reports, and we'll right-click on the aged trial balance icon, and once again, we'll copy and paste the icon into our shortcut folder. And now we'll test it by double-clicking the icon, and indeed it works. Now before we wrap up, there's one more feature to show. You can also add shortcuts to programs that reside outside of Sage Accpac, such as Excel. To do this, make sure that your custom folder is open, then go up to the menu bar and open Object, New, and select Program, and we'll enter Excel as our title and hit Next. In the command field, we'll browse on our computer for the Excel executable file, and we'll click Open, and then Finish, and now we have a shortcut in our custom folder that launches Excel. So to recap, by creating your own shortcut folder in Sage Accpac ERP, you'll no longer need to navigate through menus and icons to reach the functions and reports that you use most often. This will save you time and enhance your processing experience in Sage Accpac. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage Accpac system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.